John Buselink with Alpha Professional Tools. Today I'm going to introduce to you our diamond blade redressing tool. What this unit does is when you're using your diamond blade and the blade becomes glazed and your cutting ability slows down, this device will actually grind the peripheral edge on your blade to make it straight again and to expose the diamonds to make the blade in the best cutting condition it could be in. The reason why a blade will fail is because in today's times we have newer materials like quartzite that's very hard and dense. We have sintered slab material. So these newer materials in the industry are making the blades have to work harder, and we understand that, and that's why we want to have this new diamond blade redressing tool. This tool here accepts a 4-inch up to a 6-inch grinder and up to a 6-inch diameter blade. The way it works is we have a grinder wheel here. This grinder wheel will actually get mounted onto the shaft of this unit. But before that, this unit here, we can attach it to your workstation by actually drilling holes and putting a bolt, or you can use the clamps it comes with. I'm going to demonstrate clamping this to the table. We're going to clamp 2 clamps. So now that's secured, we're going to take our grinder wheel, put it onto the spindle shaft. Just make it tight. Now we're going to take our cover, we're going to place it on top. Put our screws in here to secure it. There's 2 of them. Now this cover, it's able to slide. So as you're actually grinding into the grinder wheel with your blade, as you're grinding into the wheel and your becomes narrow, you're able to slide the cover to get the most use out of your grinder wheel. The way we're going to mount this, we have a connector. Your grinder actually goes into your spindle handle holder. So we're going to go into here. So you just want to tighten that up, like so. Use a wrench. So now, your grinder is secured. In the back here we have a locking device. You could raise and lower your grinder. So now you just want to have your diamond blade touch the grinder wheel, secure it. Because what you're doing is you're shaving the top of the grinder wheel. You don't want to cut through the grinder wheel, you want to shave. So the diamond blade touches the grinder wheel, and then as you're working with it, you're just going back and forth. You just want to go back and forth, swaying the grinder. Okay, now that we have our redressing tool all set up and the grinder is attached, we need to remember that the 5-inch grinder wheel, as you're dry grinding, you're going to create silica dust. So we need to make sure we hook it up to a HEPA vacuum. And that's what we're going to do now. I got my HEPA vacuum all ready to go. Attach the hose. So now, we're going to bring the diamond blade, make it touch the top surface of the grinder wheel. We're going to lock it in. As I mentioned before, we're just going to go back and forth, swaying it back and forth on the top layer. And let's get started. now our blade is redressed and it's ready for your next cutting job.